Okay, let me guess. You finally made a sketch that doesn't look like.
It's the biggest piece of dog shit.
But when you went to add line art to further develop the piece, you ended up with.
Bruh.
It's the biggest piece of dog shit.
Well, fear not. I'm going to tell you what might be causing your line art to be classified as.
It's the biggest piece.
Thick, visible lines. These lines look like this. Okay, the problem with this line art, except for the fact that it looks like crap, is that it is composed of similar lines that are all fighting for recognition, making your line art look like dog crap instead of god crap. The way to fix this is to learn and fix it using line weight by thickening the lines where the form is closer to the camera and dark areas. Thinking in 2D. This means that your brain trembles at the sight of all these complex structures and tries to find the quickest way to escape the jam, and you start spamming out random lines that increase the two-dimensional look on your dog crap. Way to fix this is to understand that lines are a lie, meaning that they don't exist in reality. Hence you need to understand that we use them to represent forms, edges, and also dark shadows. This topic could need an entire video of its own, so let's move on. Lower the opacity of the sketch. Okay, hear me out here. I know that this isn't a mistake and more of a tip, but this is very important because when your sketch opacity is too high, your brain will still consider it as part of the final artwork. And when you turn it off, it looks like dog crap. Just lower your opacity, and when you feel like it is low enough, lower it again, just to be sure. Okay, let's say that you've done all this and your drawing still looks bad. This would mean that the problem is not the line art, but is the foundation, which can be fixed with more practice and watching a lot of tutorials like this one. Speaking of tutorials, want to learn how to color your drawings like this? Just say it in the comments. I will read all of them, I swear. Bye!